Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah and I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween time. Some beauty tutorials as I have done today, and a little bit of DIY in between. For today's video, I want to do something a little bit more like anti-Valentine's Day inspired, although it's still pretty fucking Valentine's Day inspired. It's literally hearts on my eyes. Got a heart on. But as you will have seen by my last video, which was the strictly like simple Valentine's Day kind of thing, I will leave it in the down bar below. So if you guys want to see that before this one, then you totally can. It's definitely more wearable than what I have on my face right now. As I said, this is an anti-Valentine's Day tutorial, but it is definitely a Valentine's Day kind of look. It's more intricate than I am used to, but I'm super glad that it turned out. Spread a little love today, spread a little happiness, you'll see, spread a little something to remember. You can start this off with some actual planning using some kind of brow pencil, eyeliner, lip liner, whatever, or you can just go in like I did with a gel liner or a cream product. I used the NYX Vivid Brights liner in Bad Blood and drew the general shape of a non-anatomically correct heart, with the top booty looking part on my eyelid and the point coming down under my eyes. Try to make these generally the same size and length, although I know it can be totally hard. That's what she said. For the next step, you could use a number of different products, including but not limited to Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadows, or what I'm using is the Colourpop Supernova shadow, specifically Moonlit. And I'm filling in the heart I just made. You don't need to be super precise with this since we will be messing around with the shape a bit, blending and re-adding. For the fade, I'm going to be using both Poodle from Colourpop and Cupcake by Makeup Geek. Firstly, taking Poodle on a small brush and basically just setting the base I just put down, basically setting the base, that sounded weird, and slowly blending it out a bit. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to be blending that out, obviously, because what else are you going to do with a blending brush? And I'm just going to be taking that with Cupcake on it. And then this is where we come back in with the Supernova shadow. In case you lost any in the blending process, which I can almost guarantee happened, especially with the Colourpop one. I'm going to be coming in with my liquid liner to outline the heart between the Supernova shadow and the fade out. Doing this all with my Sephora collection waterproof liner in black lace. And then finishing up with some mascara. You can most definitely leave it like this, or you can make it a little bit fancier with a lipstick, which I have chosen to, specifically Poinsettia, I believe is what it's called, by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And you're done, my love. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!